Today I'm going to teach you how to set an out-of-office message in Outlook without an Exchange server. This is incredibly useful if you're going on vacation or taking time off and want people to know you won't be responding right away, even if your organization doesn't use Exchange. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait for your emails to fully load before moving to the next step. This ensures that all your folders and settings are properly accessible. Once your inbox is ready, we need to start by creating an automatic reply template. Click on the New Email button located at the top left of your screen. This opens up a fresh email composition window where we'll draft your out-of-office message. Now compose the message you want people to receive while you're away. Keep it professional and include important details like when you'll be back and who to contact in your absence if needed. Once you're happy with your message, click on File at the top of the screen, then select Save As. A File Explorer window will appear. Here's where you'll save this as a reusable template. Choose a destination folder that's easy to remember, then type in a file name like Out of Office Reply. This next part is crucial. Change the Save As Type dropdown to Outlook Template, then click Save. This saves your message in a format Outlook can use for automatic replies. With your template created, head back to your main inbox view. Now we'll set up the automatic reply rule. Look for the Rules drop-down button and click on it. Then select Manage Rules and Alerts from the options. A new window will pop up. Click on New Rule to begin creating your automated response. In the Rules wizard window that appears, scroll down and select Apply Rule on Messages I Receive. Then click Next. On the next screen, you need to set a condition for when this rule should trigger. Check the box next to where my name is in the To or CC box. This ensures the rule only applies to emails directly addressed to you. Click Next again. Now you're on the Actions screen where you tell Outlook what to do with these messages. Find and check the box next to Reply using a specific template. At the bottom of the Rules wizard window, you'll see a link that says a specific template. Click on it. A file explorer will open. Navigate to the location where you saved your out-of-office template earlier. Select it and click Open. This connects your template to the rule. Finally, click Finish to activate your out-of-office auto reply. Outlook will now automatically send your saved message to anyone who emails you while you're away. And that's it. You've successfully set up an out-of-office reply in Outlook without needing an Exchange server. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.